Carolyn Doobie here. What's the play for today? Well, today I'm giving away a spot in the next section of Gel Printing Fundamentals. Yep, this workshop's going to be live again. Registration's going to be opening up next weekend, or this coming weekend. Anyway, the weekend. And you can get a spot in it before it's even available, before the registration even opens. So how can you do that? Well, we'll talk about that in a minute. But this workshop is all about the fundamentals of gel printing. Kind of why I named it that after all. But these fundamentals are what allow you to play with the entire rainbow and not make mud. There's no mud on here, even though all of these colors, all that wet paint was playing together. You're going to know how in this workshop. You're also going to learn some techniques that will let you make prints like this. Oh, and by the way, this is actually the throwaway print. This wasn't even the technique that we were doing. Yep, this is what throwaways look like. Now, of course, not every print looks amazing right away, and I'm going to share with you what I do with those blah, yucky prints, because you know what? We all make them. Now, how can you get this workshop for free? Well, you got to leave a comment over on the blog at acolorfuljourney.com, and yep, I'll have the link down below for you. Now, while you're over there, you can leave one comment, and you're entered once. But if you'd like more chances, if you'd like to enter more times, share this video, share something about the workshop, something from the page, pin it, share it on Facebook, Instagram, whatever, and then just leave a comment telling me what you've done. Then you'll get more chances to win. So how do you find out if you've won? Well, that is going to be announced in the newsletter and then a little bit later on the blog. By the way, and if you're signed up for my newsletter, you'll also get a discount coupon for the workshop when registration opens this weekend. If you have never ever made a gel print before, never fear. You don't have to have any experience, because once you understand the fundamentals, you start making prints that you love, the kind of prints that take your breath away. And I can prove it, because even my husband, Dave, who never does this stuff, he made prints that he really enjoyed. And you can actually see what his play was like. I'll have a link for that video too for you. Plus, he's going to actually be in a part of this workshop again. He is going to be doing 3 Facebook Lives with us, so you will see him trying and doing and what it's like, and you'll actually see him go from being very hesitant to start with all the way to when he becomes very confident, and that's in the span of about 15-20 minutes, because that's what play can do for you. Now, if you're an experienced gel printer, there's plenty in here for you too. Just check out what other students that have taken the workshop say about it. Again, if you want to get entered to win this workshop for free, head on over to the blog at acolorfuljourney.com. That way you can leave a comment and get yourself entered.